someone can help me.
I can help you.
Oh, wow, thank you.
Hello again, everybody. This is page 39 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and today we're starting Unit 5, which is called Happy Birthday. So this is the Let's Talk part, and before we do this fill-in-the-blank dialogue section, let's watch the video.
Happy birthday, Jenny.
Oh, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 7 years old today.
I'm 7 too.
How old are you?
This is for you, Jenny.
Oh, thank you. It's a big box. What is it?
Okay, and now we just have to take these words that are in the box and put them into the right spots in the dialogue. Let's start. Scott says, "Happy birthday, Jenny." Let's trace birthday. B-I-R-T-H. Birth, D-A-Y. Day, birthday. Happy birthday, Jenny. Birthday's done. Are you? You are you. How old are you? 7 are you. Thank are you. Is are you. How old? How, H-O-W, space old, O-L-D. How old are you? And Jenny answers, I'm years old. I'm you years old. I'm 7 years old. I'm thank years old. I'm is years old. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay, and over here, Scott is giving Jenny a present. So he says, this for All right, let's do this one first. This you for, this thank for, this is for, is. This is for This is for you, this is for thank. This is for you, Y-O-U. And Jenny says, you. Thank you. Capital T-H-A-N-K. Thank you. Part A is done. Okay, this is part B. It says write and draw. So we're gonna write 2 sentences about how old you are, and then we have to draw the candles in 2. So this one has 6, and right here is the spelling for 7. So just to help us, I'm gonna write in the spelling for 5. So if you want to write any of these numbers for your cake, this is the spelling for them right here. Let's trace this one though. I'm, I''M, 6, S-I-X, years, Y-E-A-R-S, old, O-L-D. And because it's 6 years old, we need 6 candles. There's 1 here, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and for this cake, I'm going to pick, you can pick whatever you want, but I'm gonna pick 10. So I'm gonna write it first. I'm 10, T-E-N, years old. Y-E-A-R-S-O-L-D. I'm 10 years old, and then I will draw 10 candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, my candles are so ugly. 9, 10. I'm 10 years old. I'm done my workbook.